be your tour guide for today. At your service. Before we start, I'm here to present you the De La Salle Fama. And we are going to go to the Capilla de San Juan de la Salle. So, can we start? Let's go.
Wala rin.
And now, we are here at the
Capilla de San Juan Bautista de la Salle.
And now we are here at the Capilla of
San Juan Bautista. Capilla of San Juan Bautista de la Salle.
And now we are here at the Capilla de San Juan Bautista de la Salle. As you can see, Capilla is considered as the heart of De La Salle.
Tapos, 77 chairs, then 700, can accommodate up to 700 persons.
This Capilla can accommodate
700 persons. It has 77 chairs and can accommodate up to 700 persons.
Kagaling pala na rin
700 persons.
mag-English.
Ikaw naman, alam mo naman pala. No one.
Ikaw naman, dali.
Tapos na ako.
Well, this Capilla,
77
So yun,
chairs
this Capilla,
can accommodate up to 700
this
persons.
Capilla is very dirty. So we can have
ano sa'yo na?
70 different chairs.
Sorry. 77 chairs. 77 wooden chairs and can accommodate 77 wooden chairs and can accommodate up to 700 persons. Dali, mawawa ko kay kuya. Mamit na to.
As you can see, this Capilla is composed of 77 wooden chairs and it can accommodate up to 700
persons.
Kasi bigyan mo na lang kuya ang loob. Tapos ikot mo kuya, ganun mo lang. Tapos kung narin sasabihin akong gagad na lang. Uy! Oh, ciao!
Ako nagpapakaba ng libre mo kasama ko.
Okay, tapos na.
Hi!
Thank you! Ano pa? May isa pa.
See you again next time.
Go ahead, Juan. Did you enjoy the trip? Hope you enjoy it. Well, thank you for
your time. Thank you for your time. See you again next time. Thank you for your
well,
train.
guys, thank you for coming and hope you enjoyed the trip.